Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today is Friday and we are having kind of an easy day today. I figure Friday is a day where there's a lot of things going on, maybe going out for the evening, doing family things, or just having an end to the week. So today's a pretty easy day. It's just the daily cleaning and then kind of a catch-all, kind of whatever didn't get done during the week, catching up with laundry, or anything that needs to be caught up on. So for me today, I am really focusing on laundry and getting it all washed, folded, and put away. And besides that, I am super hustling today. Amelia didn't sleep very well last night. She's not feeling very good, and I just finally got her down for a nap. So I'm trying to go really fast because I don't know if she's gonna sleep for like 30 minutes or an hour or what, so I just wanted to get as much done as I possibly could while she was sleeping, because when she was awake, she was real just whiny and clingy, not feeling good. So I wanted to do as much as I could while she was sleeping, so when she was awake, I could just hold her. So like all the other days, I started first with making the beds. I actually never got our bed made because she sleeps in our bedroom, and she was sleeping and I didn't want to wake her up, so I didn't make it. But I got the kids' beds made, and then I got all of the clothes that were drying on the clothing racks upstairs put away, and then I just did a quick wipe down in the bathroom, the counters, the toilet, and the floor, and then I was moving on to the kitchen, and I broke the glass when I was unloading the dishwasher. So I knew that I was going too fast and I wasn't really thinking. So I just had to tell myself to slow down and just get as much done as possible, and whatever didn't get done, it would be okay. So I finished putting away the things that I had in my hand, and then I actually ended up putting the things that I had on the counter back in the dishwasher, and then I added the dirty dishes just because I didn't know if anything had glass on it. So I just ran it through another cycle of the dishwasher and called it good enough because I didn't want to dig through it for any other pieces of glass. And then the dishwasher pods had to be refilled, so I just got out the big container and refilled the smaller one that I keep on the counter. And normally with breaking a glass, I would probably vacuum, but since Amelia was sleeping, I just got out the broom and swept as good as I could. And then I was just washing up the rest of the dishes that needed to be washed still. So I wasn't really worried about stuff too much today, just trying to get as much done as I possibly could. Okay, the kitchen is done, so onto the dining area. We still had art stuff out from making Valentine's Day cards, and we have all of our library books on the table. I'm just keeping them up there to keep them out of Amelia's hands so she doesn't rip anything. And just picking up her toys that she got out this morning. She didn't really get out that much stuff, so it didn't take that long. Like I mentioned, the library books. We're trying to do the winter reading program at the library. Sophia has to read 500 pages by the end of February, and Xavier and Amelia have to read 100 books. So really, it's not that hard to do. And I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful view that I had today. It was below zero. It was super cold outside, but the sun was shining and I just thought it looked so pretty out there. Like I said before, today I'm really focusing on laundry, so I have everything sorted out and ready to be put in the wash as stuff gets done in the dryer. And I didn't get everything done while Sophia and Xavier were at school. I did have to, keep doing laundry into the evening, which wasn't that big of a deal. Alright, you guys, that is the end of my Friday cleaning video for my weekly cleaning routine. I hope you come back tomorrow for the last video of the series and see how we finish out the week. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.